Usap si Atty. Ochoa na
Okay, please.
mayroon pa siyang mga importanteng bagay. So, pwede natin siya unahin?
Please.
Thank you, thank you. Anybody from you can butt in anytime. I just would like to ask the first question to Secretary Ochoa. Sir, do you know personally Asik Carlos Gadapan of PDEA?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. During your time as the Executive Secretary, did the information regarding the alleged involvement of Ms. Maricel Soriano and Bongbong Marcos and other high-profile cohorts reach your office?
No, sir.
Thank you. May we know if you have seen the alleged pre-operation authority document signed by Mr. Morales, which is one of the subject matter of this inquiry?
Not at all, sir.
Thank you. During our first hearing, Mr. Morales claimed that you commanded Asik Gadapan and the PDEA to stop the operation against Ms. Maricel Soriano and Bongbong Marcos and other high-profile cohorts and disregard the request for pre-operation authority. Anong masasabi mo dito, sir?
As I earlier mentioned, I don't even know him, and I don't recall of any occasion that we have met or even talked. So I completely deny that I have made those instructions as alleged.
Thank you, sir. Were you aware that sometime in 2013, the LIZA of Malacanang invited Mr. Morales for a briefing regarding PDEA operations, including those that were halted?
I cannot recall exactly if that indeed took place, but I only learned now when this hearing was conducted, and I somehow, but very, very vaguely, if there was an incident that happened, but I'm not so sure if, because it was never, I was never informed of such meeting, and even after that meeting, there was no report submitted to me in regard to what transpired in that meeting.
Thank you, sir. But I think LIZA, were you aware ka ba nung existence ng LIZA under General Serapio, who testified before this committee last hearing? Were you aware of the existence
Yes,
of that?
we created that unit, Your Honor, during our time.
So yung pagpapatawag ni General Serapio, you're not aware of that?
No, sir. No, no.
Thank you. My colleagues, you have questions? Further question? Ha? Senator Jinggoy.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, paano ba na-implicate yung pangalan ni Atty. Ochoa? Sino? Sinabi ni Morales?
According to former agent Jonathan Morales, he was told by then
Gadapan.
Asik Gadapan, the Deputy Director General for Operations, when he was about to travel abroad for schooling in LIZA, International Law Enforcement Academy in Bangkok, Thailand. He was told by Gadapan that the one who instructed for the halting of this operation was then Executive Secretary Attorney Paquito Ochoa.
All right. Yes, kilala mo ba ito si Agent Morales?
No, sir.
So, ano po yung palagay mo sa motibo niya? Bakit para tumistigo at dinawit ka nagbigay ng instruction na patigilin ng investigasyon sa nasabing drug case noong 2012? What do you think is his motive, Mr. Attorney Ochoa?
I have absolutely no idea, sir.
Well, alam mo, Mr. Chair, hindi naman natin pwedeng tanungin si Attorney Gadapan dahil patay na siya, no? Dahil Di ba? Siya ang sabi ni Agent Morales, si Gadapan na nag-utos sa kanya para, tama ba? Para ipatigil yung operation.
No, according to him, the casing and the surveillance operation, authority to conduct casing and surveillance operation on the persons mentioned in the information was disapproved by Gadapan. The reason why is that my instruction daw si Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa na
Oo.
ihinto yung operation.
Okay,
Senator
last question.
Jinggoy, meron lang ako nakalimutan na Attorney Ochoa. About kakalat sa social media about most law firm. Meron siya sabi na yung most law firm daw is ang M stands for Marcos, O is for Ochoa, and S and T, I don't know.
Serapio and Tan.
Serapio and Tan. Am I correct? Is this information correct? That you were both members of the same law firm with now First Lady Marcos?
That is true, Your Honor. We were former law partners and we formed that law firm, if I remember right, in 2006. But when I got appointed as Executive Secretary, I have to withdraw from that law firm in 2010.
Yeah, because there were insinuations. Ito naman ay insinuations lang na kaya daw nagkaroon ka ng interest na ipahinto yung operations because, again, you were influenced by your partner in the law firm. Those are insinuations lang. So we want to hear from you about this. Yun lang, kinukonfirm ko lang sa'yo.
Oh, that is not true, Your Honor.
Thank you for that answer. Salamat, sir. Senator Jinggoy, you may
No further
continue.
questions, Mr. Chair.
Your Honor, just on that point, you left the firm because you were appointed ES?
That is correct, Your Honor.
By whom?
By President Benigno Simeon Aquino III, Your Honor.
Who was your immediate superior and, of course, superior?
Yes, Your Honor, for 6 years.
Serving as the alter ego of the President, you don't do anything without his knowledge or order. Would that be correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Miss ko na rin yung kaibigan natin, pero kinoy-noy. Thank you, Your Honor. Unless I don't have any further questions, Mr. Chairman.
So thank you. Salamat, Senator Chis.
Dito na kay Morales.
Morales ka na.